Good afternoon, and welcome to my 8th video on Wednesday, April the 29th. First, let me thank everyone for continuing to follow the public health requests to only travel to visit the grocery store and pharmacy, and for your adherence to the 2-meter physical distancing requirement. Following these two key requests has shown that this is making a difference across the province and here in Gravenhurst. We've not seen any new cases in Gravenhurst for the past week, and there are no COVID-19 patients in our 2 Muskoka hospitals at this time. I do believe we are starting to see a glimmer of light at the end of the tunnel. However, it continues to be important that we do not let up and make sure that we follow these medical requests. Earlier this week, the province announced a three-stage plan to begin to ease up present orders. However, at this point, there is no specific timeline or details on what restrictions will be eased first. I want to mention that, as you know, many agencies are working hard to assist our community members that are faced with difficult times, and we thank these dedicated people. As an example, the Salvation Army Food Bank would like you to know that they have continued to remain open in Gravenhurst with their food bank operations as usual, which is 3 days per week. They are well stocked and obtaining additional food resources constantly to ensure that they are able to provide as much food support as possible for those that come to meet with them. They are receiving donations from individuals in Gravenhurst either online, through the website or by phone, or by physical drop-offs at the building. And for this, they really are very thankful. It is important to note that any donations made by Gravenhurst residents remain here in Gravenhurst. They've also received, like many agencies, provincial funds through the District of Muskoka and are in the process of doing a bulk order of even more food. Those that come to the food bank are walking out with the largest amounts of food they've ever been able to give. If you wish to donate or if you're in need of food, their phone number is 705-687-2131. Also, the Masketeers, they continue on supplying homemade masks, and so far their supply is good right now. However, they just had a run on people who wish a second mask for their family. If you are interested in a second mask, please contact Barb McCabe and she will take care of that for you. Also, the community gardens has now been deemed essential by the province. And a special thank you we'd like to extend to District Councillor Sandy Cairns, who championed this cause here in Muskoka. The Infrastructure and Recreation Departments are still working on details and waiting further direction from the Simcoe Muskoka Health Unit on how to move forward with this idea. In addition to our own community signage thanking healthcare and frontline workers, you will soon see that the District of Muskoka will be placing thank you signage throughout the municipality on district roads. As I mentioned last week, Council has also set aside $25,000 from the Terrence Haight Fund to assist groups in our community that need financial assistance. Details are being finalized and the information will be forthcoming. You'll be able to find that on the town page in the banner, but as well as the town website. Another event I want to share with you is this Saturday, May the 2nd. At 7 p.m. there's a special event being held called the Stay at Home Gala Muskoka. You can join the Muskoka community and other cities across the country for this gala. Part local, part national, it's a virtual gala for every Canadian. The online gala is a one-night event which unites Canadians across the country with the aim to strengthen community efforts and to raise critical funds to manage the impact of COVID-19 virus on our communities. This is social distancing at its finest, as participation will take place in your own home. The virtual gala will host all the familiar elements, such as an optional dinner. In our particular case, in Gravenhurst, it's being created and delivered by the Orr, Relish, and Well Fed. There'll also be game-changing speakers, entertainers, musicians, and much more. It's important for you to know that proceeds will stay in Muskoka. The Muskoka Community Foundation will direct funds raised in our community back to Huntsville Hospital Foundation, South Muskoka Hospital Foundation, various food security programs in the district, and Muskoka Women's Shelters and Services. Their goal is to raise $40,000, and presently $34,000 has been raised. If you're interested and want to participate, you can get further information through the Muskoka Community Foundation. Finally today, I'd like to take a brief moment to give a big shout out to others that deserve a thank you, but often fly under the radar. Let's thank those truck drivers who are keeping our food chain in great supply. As a result, Gravenhurst grocery stores are telling me they have lots of product. Let's also thank the postal workers, the restaurant owners, and their staff that continue to prepare food on a takeout basis. Thank you for taking the time and a few moments to watch these videos. Stay safe, and remember, we're in this together. Thank you.